Kilarigbo Live TV.
Hold on, calm down. How many una be? There are not people that they were shot. They are not the people that they were telling. They called their name. No weapon in our hand.
They just took
No weapon. No weapon for our hand. Not our
go fall out.
They say phone is a weapon.
Listen, bro. No go fall out. No shit. No go fall out.
They say phone is a weapon.
I'm a comedian, man.
They beat my body. They took my body from you, my friend. They used.
When did this happen?
Yes, they collected my phone.
30 minutes
and
ago.
My friends, they collected their iPhone. My name is Agbe.
Happened here, right now. We just drop on.
From here.
I was a survivor of Lekki Tope massacre.
I'm
Live survivor. We were there on the 20th of October. Live. Not that we told you. No, it's not online. We are live survivor.
They took my phone.
My two phones.
They took my van. They beat me.
They collected your two phones.
My two phones.
What is your name?
My name is Olamide Raimi.
Okay.
I am a commander. They say I'm a thief.
Armless.
Yes.
I said I'm a commander. They should go to YouTube. They should go and watch my video on Peyoso Comedy YouTube channel. I said like 30 minutes ago.
They just
Or 40 minutes ago. Not 1 hour.
They started beating me.
Because I passed Lekki Toll Gate and I was doing live video.
And I was
Yes, Olamide Raimi.
Olamide Raimi, they don't arrest one boy again. Oh, 3 of them, they're inside the.
I don't do anything. Now Samuel and Shola is my name. I don't do anything. They are just there here say I don't even know where to happen. They just hold me. I don't hold anything. I only my phone and my AirPod in my hand. Wait till happen now. Say we don't do that kind of thing again for Nigeria. I don't offend. I don't tire for this country. Oh no, want to shoot me. Want to shoot me. Which kind of
thing? Didn't you know me? You know me. We are together since your last year. You. So yes, they just saw me. They took me up. They take my phone. They pick me up. I was bleeding. I was bleeding.
I'm not wearing any SS code. Still yet, they still harassed us. See my body. See my body. Go and see my friend. They use proof to stab his face. His second. They use proof to stab his face.
I'm coming. Don't worry.
forever in our minds. Stop killing us, Samolu. We forever remember our heroes that be killed 2020, October 20, in this Lekki toll gate. We're here to remember them forever in our mind. The heroes that be killed in Lekki toll gate. Stop killing us, Samolu. We the youth are here to remember our brothers and our sisters that be killed in Lekki toll gate. Stop killing us.
Stop us!
We are a movement!
Stop us! We are humans!
If you know the job, not the job. If you know the job, right now, say when they carry camera, it's a justice. 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 Justice.
Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Atagbantagba lóde ta gbangba ló ti pápá tó ní kí ló ní ta gbangba ó ṣe.
Àwọn gbàǹkọ́gbì alárinrin ètò ọ̀dọ́ wa ló sodo sí.
Mo lè má lè sọ òyìnbó púpọ̀ but inú Yorùbá tí mo ń sọ àwọn kan yọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀.
Ṣé báwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni kámú láti Kilarigbo Unlimited.
Kilarigbo Unlimited ládùn ètò tí kò láfiwé.
Alárakúàrà.
Orí ètò Alárakúàrà ní àwàyè lórí Kilarigbo TV.
Mo lo ata, tomatoes, àlùbọ́sà, ẹyin, mo lo carrot, mo dẹ̀ tún fi hot dog náà sí.
Mélòó la fẹ́ kà nínú eyín Adépèlé KPK kò gbọ̀kẹ̀. Kilarigbo ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ká ṣe àkálẹ̀ àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́nà tí ìgbàlódé léyìí tẹ́yìn ó sì gbádùn ẹ̀.
Ọba sọ́yọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ jábẹ́sì padà, ìwọ ni Olúwa wá fàyè mi ṣe yanu.
Kilarigbo Live TV gbọ́n pa ẹ̀. Fún ìpolówó ọjà tàbí àkálẹ̀ èyíkéyìí ayẹyẹ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe ìyún event coverage pẹ̀lú owó tí ò gani lára. Kilarigbo Live TV ẹ̀rọ amóhùnmáwòrán